Today we are dealing with types of inventory management techniques. Among various techniques, we have several techniques here. One is ABC analysis. Second one is JIT, that is nothing but just-in-time method. Third one is MRP method, that is nothing but material requirement planning method. Fourth one is VD analysis, that is nothing but variable, essential, and desirable. Fifth one is FSN method. FSN method is nothing but fast, slow, and non-moving method. At last, we have EOQ model, economic order quantity model. Here, before going to these techniques, first we should know what is inventory management, right? What is inventory management? Inventory management is nothing but the process of ordering, storing, using, and selling a company's inventories, which means you have some inventories. So for those inventories, you have to order and you have to store and you have to use those things and sell those inventories, or you have to sell the end product using the inventories. That is nothing but inventory management. For managing those inventories, we have several techniques here. Among this, today we are going to deal with the ABC analysis. See here, ABC analysis is nothing but ABC means what? Always better control. Always better control means, see here in a inventory management, we have several inventories. Nothing but we divided the whole materials into three categories: category A, category B, and category C. Here A means among the certain inventories, such certain materials are like that they have their price is more, but the quantity wise the materials are less. But those are very important and those are very essential. The materials which have more price and which have more priority, that will be categorized as A. If the material B is categorized in such a way that it has less priority than comparatively A, but more priority comparative to C. Like that, we categorized material B in the category B. Next, we categorized into third session, that is C. Category C is nothing but these materials are least in vast in number of items, but least in price wise comparatively A and B. Here, the percentage of number of inventory items are comparatively B and C, these are less. A are less, but price for the A is more. Like that. While coming to the category B, these are percentage of number of inventory items are more comparatively A and price also less comparative to B. Here, for category C, the percentage of number of inventory items are more, right? But the value for these things are less. It will be like this. So we will categorize these materials into A, B, C groups. I think you come to know that what is ABC analysis. See here, this is our graph, cost versus inventory percentage. Here, whatever the inventory percentage is there, that is only 10% is nothing but the cost is more. The inventory items percentage are less, then it will belongs to A. The second one belongs to B, and third one is nothing but C. For this ABC analysis, we will solve one problem so that we will come to know that what is ABC analysis. See here, for we have one example for ABC analysis. Here they given item numbers 101, 102 up to 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, like that up to 110. Means we have 10 items named as 101 to 110, and unit cost means per unit their cost is 5, 11, 15, like that. For each item we have unit cost, and their annual demand is 48,000, 2,000, like that. For each item their annual demand is there and their unit cost is there. based on the cost and annual demand. Now we have to classify these items, whether which item belongs to which group. Means we have three categories of A, B, and C. We have to check which item belongs to which group, whether it is belongs to A or belongs to B or belongs to C. First, before doing to this, you first have to calculate total cost per year. We have to calculate. What do we have to calculate? First, we have to calculate total cost per year of each item. You have to calculate total cost per year. Means this is annual demand and unit cost is there. For annual demand, for each unit cost, it is, first just consider this as step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3. Now to calculate total cost per year, we have to multiply step 2 into step 3. Okay, I will get the total cost per year, right? How much we'll get here? This is nothing but 2 into 3. Means column 2 into column 3. 48,000 into 5 is how much? 2,40,000. Next, 22,000. 300 into 15 is how much? 4,500. Next, 6,400. Next, 33,600. Next, 19,200. 18,000 into 20, 3,60,000. Next, 300 into 4, 1,200. Next, 45,000. Next, 6,000. Grand total you have to do this. How much it is? 7,37,900 rupees. This is nothing but our total cost per year for each item we got. Okay, now we have to consider this percentage of each material. That is nothing but each item, how much they are contributing, right? Now we have to check that also. Means step 5 is nothing but usage as a percentage of total cost. Usage as a percentage of total cost. There is nothing but, see, out of 7,37,900 rupees, how much percentage it is contributing, right? You have to calculate percentage of each item. Means suppose you want to calculate the percentage of item number 101. At that time, you have to take down 2,40,000 divided by total cost is how much? 7,37,900 into 100. So that you will get percentage. How much percentage you will get here? You will get 32.5%. Like that, for each item, you have to calculate percentage of usage as a percentage, total percentage in that, how much percentage it is contributing. Now, for the first, it is how much it is? 32.5%. Like that, for the item number 102, it is 3%. For item number 103, 0.6%. Next, for item number 4, 104, 0.9%. Next, 4.6%, 2.6%, 48.8%. Next, 0.2%. Here, this one is 6.1%. At last, 0.8%. So when you add these things, you will get total of 100%. Okay, which means among these 7,37,900 rupees, how much each item contributing, we have to calculate this. After that, you have to rearrange these items now. Or percentage wise, you can rearrange the items. Rearranging. Okay, rearranging. Highest is how much here? 48.8%. Okay. Next, we are rearranging this. First one is 48.8%. Second highest is what? 32.5%. Next, 6.1%. Next, 4.6%. Next, 3.0%. Next, 2.6%. 0.9%. Next, 0.8%. 0.6%. 0.2%. If you are getting confusion, then write down here itself the item number also. Here the item number for 48%, what will be the item number? That is 107, right? This is 107. For 32.5, it is 101. For 6.1%, which one? 109. Next, for 4.6, 105. For 3%, 102. For 2.6%, 106. 0.9%, 104. 0.8%, 110. 0.6%, 103. 0.2% means 108. So we rearranged the items based on the contribution, right? Now we have to calculate cumulative percentage of total. Now cumulative percentage of total. See here, first one is how much? First one is same as it is. How much it is? 48.8%, right? What about second one? Add these two. 48 plus 32.5. How much it is? 81.3%. Next, adding 6.1% to this, we will get 87.4%. Next, 92%. Next, adding 3%, we will get how much? Next, adding 6, we will get 94.9%. Next, 97.5%. Adding cumulatively 98.4%. 99.2%. 99.8%. At last, you will get 100%. So based on this value, now we have to classify. Based on this cumulative only, we have to classify the items, right? So here we got cumulative percentage. What is our ABC analysis? Here, what I said, ABC is nothing but here we have this percentage of number of inventory items, number of inventory items means that is nothing but a cumulative percentage. Sorry, the number of items, that is nothing but your number of items here. Percentage, how much percentage we have. Next, here in this slide, we have in this y-axis percentage of in the y-axis we have percentage of average inventory values. In the x-axis, percentage of number of inventory items. Now, as I said, 0 to 10 means it belongs to A, and 10 to 20, there is nothing but addition of 20 to this is 30. Next, addition of this 70 to this is 100. Like that on this row also, here 70, 90, and at last 100. Now, A means 70 and 10. B means 90 and 30. C means 100 and 100. Right? Just join these things. See here, Now you have to write which item belongs to which category, right? As I said, A means what? The cost, cumulative cost for the material is high, right? Which belongs to up to where? Up to 70%, right? That is nothing but our A, which is here up to 48 is there. Above this 80% is there. So A category means 48.8%. There is item number is which 107. This belongs to category A. And up to 70 to 90. 70 to 90 means these two. These two belongs to B category. What are those? 101 as well as 109. Right. Next, the remaining things belongs to category C because 90 to 100. These belongs to C category. A, B, and C. The remaining things you have to write in a category C. This is how we have to classify the. This is how you have to classify the data, means materials, as material A, classification of A, classification of B, and C. ABC means what? Always better control. At last you have to write classification, which items belongs to which category, right? This completes ABC analysis problem numerical. Okay, thank you.